And then we have the default style option available here. Each option has its own unique style. Now, by default, it will always be on this one. It is called Shaded with Textures. Then we have the X-ray option, which will give you the X-ray look. Then we have the back edges style. This will actually show you the back edges with dotted lines. And there are many more style options from here which you can choose according to your needs. The monochrome option is the one that is used most by the designers. And as always, you can always get back to the default option by just clicking here.